Why is he footing backwards?
He's going straight when he
Hi! What happened?
He was straight when he started, and he just went
Your hair's
backwards.
sticking up like Mommy's used to.
He wants to go back to the column.
You like the tunnel?
I like the tunnel, and I'm going there, whether you want me to or not. Bye-bye, Mommy, I'm leaving you. I did. I put him this way, and he went this way, and I went, well, I can't help between A and Z. Hi, Maddie. Yay! Mwah. Yay! Yay! You want to come back up? Come on, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come here.
You go up the side and...
Here, let's do it again. Yeah, he's somehow twisted around between the first loop. Ready? Ready? Go. Ready? Here we go. Yay! Okay, ready? Woo! We got it. One more. Another one. There we go. You can get that big one? Okay. Woo! Okay, we ready? I smell smoke. Here we go. Come on, one more. Here we go. Yay! Oh, that was a big one. You ready? Okay, just sit down. Ready? Ready? Whee!
Yay! No.